Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, that generation here, from year 2014 to year 2024. If you guys need to find where your fog lights, fuses and relays are located, we'll explain that in this video today, where you can expect to find them. There is two possibilities. Also, we'll guys share information in the video where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the fog lights, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, you will have two possibilities guys. We'll explain why. We'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have, V6, V8, facing the engine on the left side, that's the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press the two tabs here, pull that cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, what we need to check now, depending where you have HID, non-HID headlights, you will need to check multiple fuses. Most likely the fog lights are routed through the headlights guys. Now the first fuse that you need to check, you may or may not have this one, it's fuse 15 right here and fuse 16. Also you will need to check, okay, in that case we will need to check relay 65, which is right here, and you will need to check relay 46 right here. Next you need to go ahead and open the trunk. In the trunk you need to go ahead and lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire, car battery, behind it you have a fuse box. That's a closer look of that same fuse box. Here you need to squeeze the tabs together, pull that cover out, and you have another fuse box. Here what we need to check guys, two more fuses for headlights. If you come in that row of fuses that's facing the front of your Chrysler 300, that's fuse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuse number 6 will need to be checked, and fuse number 7. Those are most likely guys the fog lights, relays that you will need to check on your Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.